Hi guys, Dirk here. Thanks so much for tuning in. Today we're looking at the Sigma 23mm f1.4 and we're going to find out if it can follow in the footsteps of the legendary Sigma trio, the 16, 30 and 56mm. I reached out to Sigma and I asked them if I could borrow this lens for my review. They agreed. I'm very happy about this and I want to thank Sigma for doing so. I have to send this lens back. No money was exchanged. I do not get paid to render a certain opinion. So you will get my full unbiased findings. When you take it out of the box, you get the instant Sigma feeling. It looks and feels like its predecessors. A metal body with a rubberized focus ring that goes super smooth. It is very well built and it feels good. The Sigma 23mm f1.4 comes with a lens hood. This lens hood has a different shape than the others and I like it. We do have 13 elements in 10 groups and the filter size is 52mm. 23mm on an aps-c camera is the full frame equivalent to a 34.5mm, and that is still considered wide angle. And normally it is a bit difficult to get nice out of focus background images with a wide angle lens, but we have two big advantages here. First of all, yes, we have f1.4, and secondly, the minimum focusing distance is only 9.8 inches, which is 25 centimeters, so we can get close enough. And as you know, no matter which lens you're using, when you get close enough to your subject, the out of focus background is guaranteed. On the chart we can see that it truly follows in the footsteps of its predecessors, and already at f1.4 we have an amazing center sharpness that reaches perfection at f2.2. The corners remain a little bit softer, but they are still very usable and they're gradually improving. While the majority of lenses start to fail at f11, the Sigma 23mm f1.4 remains super sharp. Of course, after f11 naturally it becomes a bit softer. As you can see, we have a mild barrel distortion. And the vignetting is gone after f2.8. Chrome elements can be very problematic, especially in broad daylight. Not for the Sigma 23 f1.4, even wide open. The image is not only razor sharp, we don't have any kind of fringing around the edges. Shooting at f1.4, the eyes of the girl are super sharp. However, we're shooting against very strong backlight. The silhouettes of the gentleman standing in the background against this strong backlight have some ghosting and color fringing. The autofocus is spot on, and that goes for photos and also for video work. We do see a mild focus breathing, but I can definitely live with that. When we're taking a look at the bokeh, it may be a little bit busy. And the bokeh balls may be not the most perfect ones, but let's take a look at this sharpness at f1.4. This is incredible. Let's take a look at longitudinal aberrations. The first picture was taken at f1.4 and the second at f1.8. All images and videos you find here are taken at f1.4. Straight out of the camera with no editing applied. Now imagine what you could do in post-production. To test the Sigma 23mm f1.4 I went to a local car show and I took photos and also videos.
We're here in Naples, Florida, at Gulf Coast Motorsports.
Its compact size makes it very travel friendly, so it could be always on your camera or at least in your backpack. It delivers great results with fantastic colors and good contrast. So yes guys, Sigma did it again. The 23mm f1.4 is exactly what I was hoping for, and it lines up so well with the 16mm and the 30mm, and I think giving this price, it currently retails for $550 in the US, the sharpness, the image quality, it has to come, highly recommended. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And also, if you like this video, leave a thumbs up. It's a free way to support my channel. Thanks so much for watching this. Stay safe, stay tuned, and bye for now.